Why is there a camera facing this way, look?
To see how fast cars come onto this road.
Yeah, but I thought they'd get you going out that way.
I think cars come off that road at like 70, 80 mile an hour and come around this corner and have a crash.
Yeah. Oh, bruh. My life.
Oh! He needs some milk!
So I can't see the edges.
That's
The bridge we just walked onto.
Bruh.
That running over it, look. Running over it, look. Mad.
Bruh. Bruh.
Crazy. Oh. Go home. Oh,
He needs some milk!
oh my God.
It's okay.
Bruh.
Everything's gonna be alright.
He needs some milk!
That's fucking terrible.
It's amazing that I know that I flew beyond this, so that's quite a way to fly. Nearly there. Nearly there.
Gosh. Oh, brutal.
It's a phobia.
That is brutal, man.
Well done.
How the I'm sweating like I'm in a sauna. See, this ain't bad for me, this.
I've been playing this game a long fucking time.
It's because it's where it goes up and
I
down.
think what it is, yeah, because I'm lower to the ground. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Even though if you fell from this height, you'll die anyway, but
That's a perfect DayZ series spot.
yeah.
I've been playing this game a long fucking time.
Fucking tearing up and everything, mate.
You did it.
We're in Wales.
Welcome to Wales.
Welcome to Wales.
Help you get some
He needs some
What?
milk!
Bruh.
He needs
Bruh.
some milk!
Bruh.
I've been playing this game a long fucking time.